Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to close your games and applications on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. It's very easy to close down your games and applications on your PlayStation 5. And in some situations, this may help you download games or updates faster in the background. So if I go ahead and just go over the game I want to go ahead and close, press options on it, and then this screen will open up, and then you can simply go to close game. Otherwise, you can press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and then go down to the switcher right here, select this. Then you can see the active game, which will be on the top. So those are the games and applications you currently have open. You can see Call of Duty in here once again. I can press options on it, and then I can go to close game. And it's closing the game. Now I'll press the PlayStation button again, and then go to the switcher. And Call of Duty is now under recent games, and God of War is here also. And here's my recent media applications. Now if I had YouTube opened up, it would be under the active session. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.